Okay, it is not scary. People get so nervous about writing bullets. It's not scary. Again, a bullet is going to be a mini headline, and it's going to be supported with a strong secondary sentence. So one famous headline from boardroom days was what never to eat on an airplane. So let's play with that for a little bit. Let's make that a bullet. What never to eat on an airplane. Now that's a curiosity approach. So now your sentence needs to support that with something a little more specific. So what never to eat on an airplane. Second sentence. Many folks, or 99% of folks make this mistake the moment they step on the plane. Or what never to eat on an airplane. University of Hopkins University says, eating this food will make you sicker than ever. An idea, right? Or I'm making some as I go along, right? What never to eat on an airplane. Study reveals, men over 50 make this mistake every time. What is it? So ideas, again, what never to eat on an airplane. You can go a scientific approach. You can go a more curiosity approach. You can go with some numbers or something to support that crazy copy for your bullet. And that is it. It is the mini headline, and then it is the copy that supports it. Okay? Go work on those bullets.